Hello everyone, in this video tutorial, we will guide you on how to move files from Google Drive to OneDrive. So let's dive right in. To begin, go to the Google Takeout page at takeout.google.com to start the process. The link is provided in the description. Choose Drive from the list of Google products to include in the export. This will allow you to select specific files or folders to transfer, if desired. Now, scroll down to the bottom and click on the Next Step button. Determine how you want your data exported, like zip file, and how you want it delivered, like download link, email. Instead of downloading the exported file to your computer, choose OneDrive as the destination for the exported data. Once you select OneDrive as the delivery method, Google will create a zip file containing your selected drive data and upload it directly to your OneDrive account. Finally, click on the Link Account and Export button. Enter your OneDrive login, and this will transfer your old data into OneDrive. And there you have it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.